honestly say this is new for me. This is awesome.
Oh man, the visibility on this thing.
Man, that is awesome.
Ray's doing a 360 backup, so we just set parallel to this
Pull up one time.
Yeah, you can.
to this hole, and now he's doing a backup 360, essentially a backup U-turn, getting into this one slot that Robert has challenged the MirrorEye system to.
Man, that is awesome.
So Robert's observing the left side driver display that shows the trailer panning, so it's showing the entire open field of view on the left side. Right side look down.
Very
Obviously
good.
right side display.
How far back are we supposed to
That's
go?
good right there.
Now I wish I would have recorded from the start, but we began just to the left here, parallel parked, right next to these
Is that a
cones.
parallel park right there?
That's a pull through and then a back out.